Hi guys, here we've got iPhone 14 and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial numbers on this device. So you've got two methods, two options. Let's start with the quicker one. So at first you have to open your phone dialer, go to keypad and then enter a secret code, which is *pound, 06 pound. And here you've got device information with both of your IMEI numbers included here. Let me just switch it off. And now you can also find IMEI numbers along with serial number via settings. To do it, just open the settings, then find and select your account here and go to this particular device right here. And here you will be able to read both serial and IMEI numbers. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.